This is seat 121 of event 201, swimming in lane 0. Manzanaro Sander of Golden Sea Eagle. Lane 1, Ojeda Jose Angelo of FKW Royal Swim Club. Lane 2, Lozada Isaiah Paul of PCA Stingray. Lane 3, Nicolas Uno Miguel of PCA Stingray. Lane 4, Taz Winston of Berusanet Swim Team. Lane 5, Alcudia Tyler Ross of Valle Verde Aqualaser Swim Club. Lane 6, Castro Manuel of FPW Royal Swim Club. Lane 7, Oyos Abraham James of FPW Royal Swim Club. Lane 8, Montier Isaac of RSS Dolphin Swim Team. And lane 9, Justiniano Wayne of Beta Caloocan Swim Team. Swimming in lane 1 from Berusanet Swimming Team. Lane 2 from Wave Runner Swimming Club. Lane 3 from Sabre School Swimming Club. Lane 4 from South Rapids Swimming Team. Lane 5 from FPW Royal Swimming Club. Lane 6 Vermosa Phoenix Swimming Team. Lane 7 Youth Wave Swimming Club. And lane 8 from Pasig City Swimming.
Go Justin!
This is seat 13 of event number 209, swimming in lane 0. Lane Jose of Sabre School Swim Club. Lane 1, Sika Johan of Manila Aquanats. Lane 2, Oyas Abraham of FPW Royal Swim Club. Lane 3, Tukay Mark Cedric of Green Archer Swimming Club. Lane 4, Tuazem David Lorenzo of Set Shark Swimming Club. Lane 5, De Guzman Mark Ruben of Green Archer Swimming Club. Lane 6, Season Brandon of Sabre School Swim Club. Lane 7, Goliath Sebastian Rafael of Sea Star Swim Club. Lane 8, Loho Miguel of Sabre School Swim Club. And lane 9, Villarosa Inigo Alfonso of FTW Royal Swim Club. We would like to thank our sponsor, Speedo, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, SMART, and Michael V. Pangilinan Sports Foundation, and thank you for making this event happen. So moving in lane 1 from Jerusalem Swimming Team. Lane number 2 from Wave Runner Swimming Club. Lane number 3 from Saber School Swimming Club. Lane number 4 from South Rapids Swimming Team. Lane number 5 from FTW Royal Swimming Club. Lane number 6 Vermosa Phoenix Swimming Team. Lane number 7 UC Wave Swimming Club. And lane number 8